Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. In the question 2 and 3, exercise 13b, we will use the third property that the tangent to the circle is perpendicular by the radius of the circle. So this is the figure of question 3. He has given that in the figure, O is the center of the circle passing through the points A and B. O is the center of the circle passing through the point of circle passing through the points A and B. TA is the tangent. TA is the tangent, and circle at A, and TOB is equal to 64 degrees. So angle TOB is a straight line, and this line is TOB is a straight line. Find number 1. Find ATB. Angle ATB is required. So here ATB is this much angle. In other words, in triangle AOT, we need the angle T, and you know that here you will use this property. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So ATB is equals to 180 minus 90 plus 64, or 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64 is 26. The answer of this part is 26 degrees. Angle ATB is equals to 26 degrees. Part 2 of the question. In part 2, he is asking for angle TAB. TAB. Angle TAB is required. We can draw a line here because in the question he hasn't given. So you have to find angle TAB. You can see that this is your isosceles triangle. OA is the radius and OB is also the radius. So both of these angles will be equal. According to the properties of triangle, every external angle is equal to sum of interior angles. So if these two angles are x and x, then x plus x is equal to 64. So x is equal to 32 degrees. So TAB is equal to 90 plus 32. Your answer will be 122 degrees. This whole angle will be, we can write here external angle, exterior angle of the triangle, exterior angle of our triangle is equals to sum of opposite interior angles. Here we will apply this property. So using this we can easily find question 2 both the parts 1 and 2. Now in question 3 he has given a figure also. I am raising this figure for question 3. In question 3, he has given this figure of question. This is the tangent AB, and there is a line passing through the origin. AB is the tangent, O is perpendicular to the tangent. This is angle X, and again a line is joining to the point C. This is the point C. You can see that OC and OB both are radius of the circle. So this meets to this triangle at point D. Given that BACX, find angle COD in terms of X. Angle COD is required in terms of X. Now, for this angle COD, we know that this angle is bisected. So let's suppose this angle is Y. So this will also be Y. 2Y. So if we write, what will be the value of this angle? This will be X degrees, because this is an isosceles. No, this is not isosceles triangle. So this will become 90 minus X. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So angles on the straight line, we know that this is equals to 180. So we will write Y plus Y plus 90 minus X is equals to 180. 2Y is equals to 180 minus 90 plus X. So 2Y is equals to 90 plus X, and Y is equals to 90 plus X over 2, where Y is angle COD. This is equals to Y. So COD, angle COD is equals to 90 plus X over 2, or 90 over 2 plus X over 2, 45 plus X over 2. Any answer you can give. That's it for this question. Okay students, see you in the next videos of exercise 13B, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.